All right, we're gonna be taking a look at this 1970 Chevy Nova. It's absolutely gorgeous blue. Do a nice little walk around, then we'll get nice up and close and personal with it. The paint is absolutely phenomenal on this. See, we'll get up. The chrome looks really nice, front and rear bumpers. Personally a fan of these hoods as well. We'll go over and look at the door gaps. Very nice there. Well, we'll go to the driver's side as well. Very straight car. Also check out the vinyl top. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. Your door panel there looks really good. Moving on to the dash. Can't say any complaints on this. And on to the back seat. All the seats are in phenomenal condition as well. And now we're on to the passenger side. Again with the door panel, looks really good. And another view of the dash from this side. We'll take a look at the headliner as well. Very nice. And let's take a look in the trunk. As you can see, the same story back here. Very nice. Got your jack and your spare as well.